Okay, what are we doing? Hold the camera for me. Hold it right there. Okay. What are you doing?
Nothing.
What's that in your hand?
A gun.
What are you going to do with it?
Nothing.
Come on. Let's see what you're going to do. What? Is there bullets? No. Ooh, yeah.
Those yellow ones too.
Yellow? What are you going to shoot?
Want to burn it, go dead.
You didn't.
Want to burn it, get dead. I didn't see a dead bunny. I didn't see one.
Okay. Over here.
Wait, here.
I don't know.
Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Where is the bird?
What happened with that BB the other day? Up your nose. Oh no, Adam.
But it's not in there again.
Why'd you put the BB up your nose?
Because I was trying to get it out.
You're trying to get it out?
Yeah.
Are you supposed to be playing with those guns anymore?
No.
How'd you get it then?
From Dad's door.
Uh-oh.
Will you get mad?
I don't know, Willie.
No.
Where's Dad at?
I'm at work.
So you got in Dad's drawer while Dad was at work?
Yeah.
And got the
No.
guns and loaded it with BBs?
Yeah.
And you're gonna go shoot a bird? And what else did you do? You stuck a BB up your nose? And then what'd you do to Maya? Remember, that's why you can't shoot him?
He said, Dad said, oh, you can have one.
What'd you do to Maya?
Nothing.
Remember, what'd you do to her foot?
Nothing.
You shot her in the foot.
I didn't.
Yes, you did. If you tell lies, I'm gonna throw away your toys. I'm not cocking it because you're lying.
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
You shot Maya?
Yeah.
Is Maya your little sister or your big sister?
My big sister.
Aww. You always stick up for her?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see your parents, Mom.
Don't shoot my plants, dude.
Why?
'Cause I'll cry.
Oh, wait.
Okay.
Downer?
Mhm.
Down?
Yeah.
Okay. That one? Want to see this one?
Yeah, I don't like that one.
I don't see it. I can't see it.
I hear something. I hear something.
A bunny. Aww. Bunnies. Bunnies.
What's that bunny's name?
Albus.
What's the other one's name?
McGlovin.
Mhm.
Why did I take my picture of them?
I'm trying to get them in the video.
Why?
Did you shoot them?
No. Look it. Wow.
Oh yeah, good find.
Sand.
How much do you love me? How much do you love me? How much do you love me? Let me in there.
No.
Come on.
No.
Come on.
No.
Do you know how to blow kisses? Look at my eyes. Blow me a kiss.